What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're smashing out some work on the Datsun 280ZX engine bay. So Woz is here and he has kindly finished our inlet manifold. Fantastic work on this thing, man. So everything is nicely welded up now. No holes anywhere. Super clean. So I need to wire brush this down and spray it silver and then give it a clear. Don't worry, it looks really good when you spray them silver. It doesn't look like cheap or budget, so you'll see once it's done. And we're gonna bolt these up to the engine today. Got my brand new inlet slash exhaust manifold gasket here because they're the same gasket right here. So we're gonna chuck that in and then we can officially bolt everything back up, which is super cool. I'm gonna take the rocker cover off. We're gonna spray that wrinkle red right now, and then we can start kind of mounting things and see where we get to. But that's pretty much what we're up to today. So hey, look at this. We need some longer bolts, huh?
Oh, we do need longer bolts.
We do. Don't worry, I can take care of that. We're only mocking it up today anyway, so it's all good. I'm sure we're going to be putting things on and taking things off multiple times as we work our way through this build. Straight away, we'll whip the rocker cover off, we'll clean it up, and we'll start painting things. You. We're ready to spray our wrinkle red onto our rocker cover. Cleaned it up super nice, so wire brushed it, degreased it, sprayed it, dried it. Same thing with our inlet manifold. So stoked on this thing. Woz absolutely killed it. So we're going to go ahead and spray both of these things. Heat gun the crap out of this to get the wrinkle out of it. And yeah, then we're going to mount them. It's going to be really satisfying. Even though I've got a bird's nest wiring thing going on here, which we need to clean up at some point. But not today. Alrighty guys, suss that out. That looks fantastic. Couple of wee bits here and there that I'm going to fix up once it's perfectly dry, but the wrinkle red looks so good. It looks so crap when you spray it on and you like don't know whether it's going to come good, and then as soon as it starts wrinkling it starts to like fade to this nice red and it just looks awesome. But yeah, that mid process is always a little bit worrying. So now we're going ahead and spraying the inlet manifold. Whew, and then we can slowly throw it back together. But I'd love to know from you guys, should I put a cam in this thing? Because look how easy it is, it's right in front of us. Easily get like a lumpy cam or something and chuck that in. Be good fun. But yeah, engine looks fantastic on the inside. These things have meaty head studs as well, so basically built for boost with 8.5 to 1 compression as well. But yeah, we'll get the inlet manifold sprayed. Wow, whoops, I wasn't recording that whole time. We're drinking Flying Power. We talked about it, but I wasn't recording. It's cheap, 79 cents a can instead of $3.50 a can for V, so. And like 70% as good as the taste. It was way better when I said it before. Damn it, I wasn't recording. Don't spit your drink out, Dan. Alright guys, we've got the inlet manifold all sprayed up, painted, looks fantastic. Was, you did such a good job. Thank you so much, bro.
Thanks, Boz.
Everyone go follow I Love Drift and buy something off their website as well. So much going on there. I'm freaking stoked, man. So we can now fit that up. A wrinkled red rocker cover over here as well. I didn't spray the throttle body because I want to take it all apart, service it, and then I'll paint it when I do that. So I'll do that another time. But yeah, we've got a brand new inlet manifold gasket here, so we're going to chuck that in as well. So yeah, let's fit it up and see how she all looks. Yeah! Fresh gaskets going in. Stoked. Easy. Just slide it in like that.
Very easy to do.
I know, it's so good. The reach around part holds everything up, so.
Well, I guess when like you got nothing else in your engine bay as well.
That too.
Look at that engine bay though.
Yeah, it's crazy, eh? Hey Dan, what colour's your engine bay on your S13 now that mine's done? Is it the exact same colour?
No. Maybe.
Yes. Yeah, Dan definitely borrowed some glitter paint and sprayed his bay as well.
Just looked a bit funny. Not funny, why not, to be honest?
It covers up imperfections really well.
Yeah, if you have a bay that you don't really want to sand all the way down and make really nice, would recommend.
Just use that stuff.
I don't know if you guys have seen the engine bay. Oh, mine doesn't have clear on it yet, but it's just made it look a lot nicer. I've still got the silver firewall because I'm not gonna even bother dealing with that. But it's all done, isn't it, Was? And we have another beer. Not coming back off.
It's not actually. I will torque it up properly though. Always torque your bolts, guys. Alright, now the fun part though.
Oh, we get to see what this looks like.
Shiny. Shiny bits. Kinda shiny?
Kind of shiny. Wait, you should probably get a bolt first.
Better?
Watch out.
I know. Get out of town, eh? The Datsun's here.
Very silver.
It is very silver, isn't it? Well, I guess like the bay is very over the top, so.
The red will dull it down.
Yeah, let's put the red. Do the red.
Give me a sec.
Red, please. This is exciting.
Oh, it's nerve wracking.
Don't drop it.
Is it gonna look good? It's gonna crap.
Jesus.
Red. That's dope.
Looks nice with the nice silver.
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
Looks very Honda.
Mike just stands right in front of it. It looks like a KA. KA?
K-swap?
K.
Big K-swap?
Yeah. Oh, that looks like that little bit.
Yeah, no. Good point. It might be a little
Look at that. Well done, Michael.
Like it?
Love it.
For mock-up purposes, we thought we better chuck the turbo on it.
This is unreal.
What do you think?
Big change. Big change.
Now we're just getting carried away mounting things for fun.
But look at it.
Oh, all the shiny.
Gee whiz.
What do you reckon?
I reckon we slide this bolt and this bolt in the hole.
It's good.
Blue, the red, every other colour under the sun in the sparkle.
That's right. Hell, man, this is...
Yeah, true.
Looks good though.
I did not know that we were going to get here. Sorry, are you still filming?
Yeah. We're just having discussion.
I'm just cursing for my life right now. So the Datsun engine bay is looking a million times better, actually, than I thought it ever could. And we're not even close to finished yet, so Jesus. I actually love the wrinkle red rocket in there. I didn't think I'd love it as much as I do, but it really does sit well in the engine bay. Love to know your thoughts in the comments, guys. As always, I'm sure you'll let me know. Woo! Someone asked why I have painted the bay before I put the cowling in. A, because I'm an impatient person. Yeah, sorry about my thumb. B, vlogging means that I always have to keep creating content, so got this done because it's content for you guys. And C, it's really easy to chuck the cowl in, mask it all off, and spray that top half of the cowl anyway, so it's not too much effort, you know what I mean? because we get, basically all of this gets painted right here, and then that up top is the color of the car. So look at that, man, it looks crazy. Over the moon, very, very happy. Now that that is done and looks as good as it does, it means I have motivation to continue pushing hard to finish the car and keep doing things to a super high level. Again, thank you to Woz for doing this inlet manifold. It looks fantastic. I'm over the moon with it. Fuel rail, super simple. Obviously the injectors sit in there. Just super stoked. And that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was very chill, but at the same time, massive results. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe if you feel like subscribing, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video as we continue the daily vlogging experience. Although lockdown's ending soon, so who knows what's gonna happen. See you then. You. Peace.